If you aren't using a CRM system, why not? Hey, Rob Spence here, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions, and welcome to another of our weekly vlogs in which we share with you some hints, tips, advice, support on everything sales, marketing and business growth. If you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, stop what you're doing, hit subscribe, give us a follow, drop a like, drop a comment. It means the absolute world to us. And of course, we want to share some great value with you, I should say. And this week we are doing nothing but sharing great value. And this week we're focusing all around CRM systems. Now, for those who aren't aware, a CRM system fundamentally is a customer relationship management system. So it's a system, and there's loads out there, and we'll go on to that in a minute, in which you can manage your customer base, manage your sales, manage your pipelines, and have a full-on solid customer database. So there's lots of bespoke, tailor-made solutions out there. You've got Salesforce, Pipedrive, HubSpot, Mondays.com could to a degree be classed as a CRM system, and so many more. And in fact, we at Paragon Sales Solutions are partnered with an incredible CRM system called Set for Business. It's cost effective, easy to use, all cloud-based, and is probably the best CRM system we've ever used. Drop us a message and we'll send you over a link as to how you can get a free trial as well. But if you aren't using a CRM system, you're making your life so much harder for yourself, and there's some key reasons as to why you need one. But first and foremost, the main reason a CRM system or CRM systems were invented were to improve your customer relationships and to manage where you're up to with those relationships. A good CRM system will allow you to monitor any activity you've had and keep a track of the telephone calls, the emails. It'll allow you to understand when you last spoke to them, when you need to follow up with them, and so on and so forth. It does away with the spreadsheets, does away with post-it notes, keeps everything in one place. Another reason is it will give you the chance to monitor your sales performance. So I was working with a customer, I'm still working with this customer, and I found out the other day that they don't use a CRM system. They've got loads of spreadsheets and it's all a bit messy. They don't know where the next sale is going to come from, and so on and so forth. So by having this CRM system in place, which we've recommended, they can then have it all in one place. They can monitor that sales performance, they can run reports, they can monitor and track where leads are coming from, and so on and so forth. A good CRM system will also help you to streamline processes. Now, although I'm not a massive fan of automating everything that we do, we're humans after all, we're not robots. A good CRM system will help you to automate some of the processes. It can follow up on email responses, make sure that maybe people are added to email lists if they've consented into it. You can keep track as to when they've opened up, and so on and so forth. That automation will help you save time, allowing you to free up your time to go and prospect more and get more sales in. And finally, as I kind of alluded to earlier, it will give you a good insight into all of the key data that you're going to need. So whether that be knowing which customers haven't quite yet bought from you product A, or those that haven't bought from you in a while, or perhaps those that are in a certain geographical location. A good CRM system will have access to all of these data analytics, beg your pardon, so that you can then understand where you need to focus your energies further down the line, what you can do better, what you could do worse, and will allow you to have a greater understanding of everything. Data is key when it comes to sales, and a good CRM system, yes, will maintain and monitor the relationships you've got with your customers, but on the backside of that, you'll also have the great insights to understand where your marketing efforts are being sort of wasted and what can be improved as well. As I said at the start of this video, if you don't have a CRM system in place, or perhaps you do and you're not too fond of it, drop us a message or drop a comment below, and we'll send you over a link to the free trial of the CRM system that we are partnered with. It's fantastic. And thank you as always for tuning in to watch these videos. Your viewership means an awful lot. If you have watched this far, drop a comment below, just say CRMs are awesome. It'd be great to know who made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching, and until next week, all the best.